Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to change install location in Google Play for PC. So, first you're going to have to go to your Play Games files. So just go ahead into your File Explorer, then type this command at the address bar. You will find all commands for this video in the description. Once you're in there, you go back one level by clicking on the AppData, then choose Local Folder, then Google Folder, then the Play Games folder. That's the previous default folder for Google Play Games. Click on the address bar and copy the path. Then you're going to have to open up Command Prompt. So just search for it in your search bar, which is Command Prompt. Then run as administrator. Once that's open, just go ahead and put this command, which is mklink, and then /d a little quotation mark over here, and then paste the address. Before that, we shouldn't forget to delete the previous installation folder, which is Play Games, in order for the command to execute without any errors. Then you're going to have to go to whatever file or section you want to put your new install location path in. So, open the new installation folder, copy this address, go back to Command Prompt and just paste in the new section. Then close it with another quotation mark and press on Enter. Don't worry guys, you will find the command in the description. That's it. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.